This is the bird scale. Today is a weigh day. Isn't it, girls? Oh, yeah. And they wait in line patiently. Well, it helps if I turn this on. You have to have a gram scale. Alrighty, here we go. Here we go. Good girl. And you have to have your record. Should everything be out? Yes. Is it? No. And Cookie is 388. And over here, wait, it's consistent every single week. And then I'll put it over to the ounce part. Not that it matters, but 13 5/8. Consistent every week. Yay, Cookie! High five! Here we go. She's a little afraid of the camera. Yay! Sadie's turn. Sadie's turn. Yay, good girl. Oh, big bird. Oh, you're doing well. See, now I got it on 2 1/4. I forgot to take it off ounce. Gram is 971. You did hold still. Sadie's weight, she's had an infection for the past month or so. But as long as it's going up again, we're doing good. Aren't we, big girl? Yes, we are. Thank you.